like Ghoul's PBS cooking show.
Yeah, we cooking. We cooking. We cooking. This is like a new cooking episode. Yeah, so you chop the onion.
Chop the onion. Make them thin without getting your fingers off. Of course. As what's the cooking guy's name again? The guy that cooks on YouTube.
On YouTube.
He's like the cooking guy.
Mr. Ramsay?
No, a different cooking guy.
Oh.
As fuck.
I like how you base it.
It's almost Babish. As Babish always says, protect your fingies. So that's what we do.
See here that the meat's on like a medium, medium high.
I'm also gonna want to unwrap that pork belly because it looks like it's stacked or something. I'm gonna figure out what's going on with it.
We gotta unravel the mystery of the pork belly.
This is a lot of onion.
Okay, yeah, so add your onion. Well, that was like a quarter of an onion?
Yeah, about a quarter of an onion. Oh yeah, you can probably feel the burn from that
Yeah,
onion.
look at the sauces we're dealing with here.
Yeah, we got some premium sauces. We found a tentacle in my freezer. I can use it.
Yo. Excuse me?
You wanna see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, octopus tentacle.
Okay, yeah, I want to see
You
this
can serve some
octopus.
octopus on the side if you want it.
That sounds like a nice little appetizer.
It's like the octopus.
Okay.
Let off the leg.
Okay.
We just have to thaw them out in some water.
Alright, side objective. Thaw out octopus. What's going on over here?
Oh yeah, we also have a couple green onions in there. So you turn it up really hot. And you really want it to burn. That's how you get like good hibachi taste
Alright,
with your
alright.
meats. Like anything kind of Asian style, like fried meat.
Yeah.
They want that dark.
Avery doesn't want to go to the kitchen because it's oniony. Motherfuckers are gonna start weeping. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. So we're cutting up cabbage.
Cabbage goes in this.
Like that.
Normally there's carrot, but there's no fucking carrot.
We forgot carrot, which is pretty sad.
But it goes with cabbage and green onion, normal onion. And then I'm gonna take the pork we cooked and stick it in the cabbage salad. When we're done with the tentacle, we could make like little, what are they called? Rangoons full of octopus, and then it's like takoyaki. But we want that.
That sounds pretty dope.
I think we should get like 3 carrots. Okay.
What do you think?
That's good. Chef item. So cheese, green cheese for chef.
Green cheese. So we're gonna make an octopus rangoon. You ever heard of one of those? You ever heard of an octopus rangoon? I think you might have created it. I'm gonna look up octopus rangoon. I wanna see this thing. Yeah, we also the chef here cut up the pork belly because it was just too much. It was too crazy.
This is the pork mixed with our cabbage salad. This one adds some carrots really fast.
Yeah, so yeah, that's why we're just throwing carrots for this stuff and this for the rangoon.
Chef thumbs up.
Yeah,
Chef update.
couple thumbs up. Yeah.
And then the vinegar.
What is it? Rice vinegar?
Yeah. And that vinegar will help get all this yucky stuff off the bottom and turn it into yummy sauce.
Yucky stuff.
So now you can see it's kind of melting again. I couldn't get it off the pan before.
Oh yeah.
But now, this part's kind of still stuck, so we'll pour a little bit more on here. And it cooks most of the vinegar out, so it won't like affect the taste very much. Mark it there, and then take a look at that. Washes right out of your beautiful sauce. You have burnt hibachi sauce right there. Delicious.
Excellent chef.
Yeah, carrot up there.
Carrot.
Carrot up there.
And then we
The That's how many carrot.
That's how many carrots. In case you were confused.
So update, we got like the pork belly and the pork chop. We put it in the bowl for the egg roll.
Oh yeah.
And chef's gonna do something over here. We got the octopus.
Over here we've got some octopus cream cheese mix. We put our green onions into it and mix our taco filling.
Yeah, we put like half a tub of cream cheese in.
And some octopus tentacles.
Yeah.
True delicacy in these parts.
Yeah, and I looked it up. We're the first. We're the
First to ever
inventors.
make
I
octopus
didn't see anywhere online anyone talking about no octopus rangoon.
We think they're calling it TACOGOONS.
Yeah. So this is copyrighted now. Anyone can make a taco goon now.
Not
you
like
know?
us.
But not like us.
Chef update.
Chef update. How to
Here we
stuff
go.
the Rangoon.
You got the Rangoon mix. You got the egg roll mix. You got the egg roller.
Hey, roller. Pretty badass. So with our milk, or little filling in it. We don't want too much. We don't roll it very well. Just enough. A little egg roll bite. It's very moist, which is gonna help us. It's gonna help this dough get nice and soft. I like to pinch it down. All on one side.
Elite tactics.
All on the other side. And then this is the tricky part. You'll be left with a very sopping, like sad egg roll if you don't do this step correct. Do this step correct or sad, soggy, sopping egg roll occurs. Roll it and then you need a little water cup. And this is gonna be your glue. You want to add a little water here and then a little water to right where it's gonna go. Which I definitely fucked up where it's gonna go. Just a little higher. And then you stick it on and it's gonna fall apart in there unless you really blend the dough. And then we're gonna want to let this one kind of dry for a second before we toss it in. So it's kind of a process because you really have to smooth that dough down or it falls apart.
Alright, so we've been wrapping and cooking the goons, the octopus rangoons, and our egg rolls here. Pictured here is the octopus goon, taco goons, as we're calling them.
Got our rangoons in here frying away. None of them exploded
Looking
so far,
good.
which is beautiful. Normally the rangoon likes to explode and comes in the water.
Not this time.
Not this time. Rangoon looking pretty shit.
Final goon product. Worth of 3 goons. Goon
Three
squad.
goons hard work.